Let's talk about sex. 18 साल शादी.
मैरिजेस में क्या होता है, आप ऐसे ही उठ रहे होते हो सवेरे.
Why is it that married women are more attractive to people? 10 बार से कम सेक्स कर रहे हैं. लड़की को इज्जत दो, वो तुमको अपनी इज्जत देगी.
द ओपननेस अराउंड सेक्स.
वाइफ तुम अच्छे से सेक्स नहीं करती इसलिए हस्बैंड पलट गया. मुझे लगता है मेरे हस्बैंड को लड़कों में भी इंटरेस्ट है.
What they could not do 20 years back, they're doing now.
यंग लड़कों को मैरिड वुमेन देख के फैंटेसी क्यों जाग जाती है? ऐसे क्यों होता है कि जब लौंडे देखते हैं एक शादीशुदा औरत को, उनके दिल में कुछ कुछ होता है? ऐसे पाथ ब्रेकिंग सवालों के जवाब देने के लिए जुड़े I've got Himika with me, who's a friend of mine for the past 20 साल से.
Yeah, at least 20 years, if not more. Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah, from 20 years.
तो मेरे को एक बात बताओ, like first of all when we were discussing के बिग पुची पॉडकास्ट पे आज क्या बात करेंगे, we said let's talk about sex because it comes so naturally to us.
And is it not the most natural thing in the world? I mean,
मतलब 16, 17, 18 साल के लड़कों के लिए तो of course बहुत ही ज़्यादा natural है. So I want to discuss a couple of things today with Himika. First of all, welcome to the Big Puchi podcast.
Thanks a lot. I mean, I'm loving this.
Now I want to ask you a whole bunch because आज के relationships इतने अलग हो चुके हैं. Someone like me, शादी में चलो बाइसेक्सुअल है, वो तो अलग ही बात है कि लड़का लड़की है, वो अलग बात है. बट शादी एज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, like how can you sleep with just one person for your entire life? And so that's one. The other thing I want to ask you is शादी के डायनामिक्स भी अलग हो गए, लोगों की शादी के अरेंजमेंट भी बहुत अलग होती है. But first let's start with this one big मुद्दा. You're a single woman, 10 people are attracted to you. You do the 4 or 7 feras around the mandap, 100 people are now attracted to you. ऐसा क्यों होता है?
This is so true. So I'm married now 18 years, like so when and I got married like at 28. So your 20s is when you really want the attention. You're trying to attract people. You're trying to get impressed yourself, etc., etc. So while all that was happening in my 20s, before I got married, मुश्किल से ही लोग इंटरेस्ट दिखाते थे, कुछ नहीं दिखाते थे, कुछ दिनों बाद चले जाते थे. The day I got married, and it's absolutely true, I don't know how you thought of this question, but the day I got married and then after, I mean, people who possibly didn't even speak to me in office suddenly started to get interested in wanting to interact, in wanting to engage, in flirting, and in ways that you knew that they were making an effort to reach out to you. And I kept thinking कि शादी से पहले ये सारे लोग कहाँ थे यार? Then maybe I would have had a wider option. I mean, this is with
tongue firmly in cheek.
Totally, because I know that Gokul uncle will also watch the podcast. My husband.
Gokul uncle would be the husband in question. जो भी हमारे मित्र पिछले 20 साल से हैं. तो गोकुल ने पहले हिमिका को बोल दिया, तो तुम और पारस साथ में, मतलब लोग तुमको बहुत ट्रोल करने वाले हैं.
Totally.
Like be careful.
He was so and I've thought about this, and that's when I used to think about it even back then, that why is it that now suddenly everybody seems to be interested? I think there are a couple of things attached, and these are very serious things. One is that, the moment you're married, people think that, okay, now, she's in that, she knows sex, she's having sex. Because you see, I'm talking about 18 years back. Back then, physicality and, not that people were not hooking up outside before marriage, not that they were not having sex, but it wasn't as rampant as it is today, right? So there was always that thought that maybe a single girl may or may not have had sex, may or may not know about it, may not be interested in sleeping around, But a married woman, she is now, she's in that zone. She's in that zone totally. She knows about sex. She's learned to have sex. She's enjoying sex. So, therefore, it's like the pro versus the rookie, right? So marriage somehow brought that image into a person's life, a woman's life more. Now she's like, and there's something too, and that I think there's something to that marital glow, and a little bit of how the body changes, and all of
also
which is
how expectations change. जैसे मैं जब अपने दोस्तों से बात करता हूँ जो ऐसे 20, 21, 22 साल के लड़के हैं, और हम हमेशा सोचते हैं कि भाई most of the 50-year-old guys want 20-year-old women. Most of the young guys, उनकी दिक्कत क्या है, they'll say यार कोई लड़की को मिले, डेट पे मिला, अब वो मैसेज करती करती फ़ोन करती रहेगी, बोलेगी मैं तुमसे बात करना चाहती हूँ, you're not responding to me, you're not talking to me. But a married woman wants to use you as a sex object, which means the guy is like, I just have fun, उसके बाद मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ोन नहीं आएंगे.
Exactly. This is the second thing. The same thing that I wanted to come to is that, you know, what happens is that there is no commitment. There is no attachment in that sense. You don't have to be worried because married woman will be very, very worried herself as to protect, so that people don't get to know. So she will not want to meet you in public. She will not want to, go out with you. She will have timings at home just because, you run a family also. So, she will not call you up in, late in the evening. So you get to do your own
get to do
thing.
your own
Yeah. And it's in that sense, it's a win-win.
Win-win for everyone.
Win-win.
I was reading about some अब नई जो तरह की शादियां होने लगी हैं. Before I was getting into that, I was really in a loop last night about why is it that married women are more attractive to people? And obviously it went on to say, so a sexless marriage, जो definition है जो भी है, basically अगर आप as a married couple आप साल में 10 बार से कम sex कर रहे हैं, तो your marriage is considered sexless. That is the statistic for how they count
Right.
it. But they also talk about the fact that a lot of marriages with a husband and wife may not be having sex with each other more than 10 times in a year. बाकी लोगों के साथ उनका कुछ चल रहा है. Now, I'm also today already of the opinion कि भाई शादी करके तो फायदा है ही नहीं. I can't deal with this whole thing of just being with one person. Polyamory, I think, is a great way of saying भाई तुम्हारे बहुत सारे partners हैं. But मेरा सवाल ये है, अब भारत में if you meet a girl, पहली बात तो तुम उसको ये कैसे बोलो कि prenup sign करो. दूसरी बात तुम ये कैसे बोलो कि polyamory करो. Do you see the amount of issues we have? You're saying, I don't want to have sex only with you and I don't want you to run with all my money. Now, how do you deal with these kind of issues? And what is the arrangement that you and Gokul had? Because I think, without, of course, getting it too personal and, only within what you want to discuss.
Yeah.
As a couple, I'm sure, अब 18 साल में कभी तो ऐसे यार गोकुल तुम बड़े सेक्सी हो पर उस लौंडे को देखो मेरा बड़ा मन कर रहा है. कभी गोकुल ने बोला कि बुला लो, तीनों मजे करते हैं साथ में, ऐसे कभी हुआ है? Gokul is going to be like...
Gokul is dying at this moment because he is one of the quietest human beings, and so much so that Gokul at age 50 doesn't get a sex joke. So that should describe, how utterly non-equipped he would be to do something like this. What you just said. He would probably not even get it. I mean, even if I said that, oh, that guy is really hot and whatever, he would possibly think that, I don't know, I'm possibly just talking about the
never had
mind.
this discussion of, because in this generation today, where a lot of marriages are happening with 24, 25-year-old, whatever, there is a conversation sometimes about, yaar, तीसरे बंदे को, we will get them into the marriage, or even forget about a marriage, if you're in a relationship. To have a third person where that person can sort of satisfy some of your other needs and some stuff.
Yeah.
It is a conversation.
Yeah. I'll tell you what this is. There are 2-3 things. See, marriage as an institution is man-made. It's not how human beings are wired. You are not wired to be with one person throughout your life. Not supposed to have one mate throughout your life. But unfortunately, to keep the bloodline clean, to, whatever, transfer property, etc., that's where marriage comes from. Because till we were hunters-gatherers, there was no concept of marriage. People were just with who they wanted to be with at that point of time and they moved on. Now, with marriage, unfortunately, while we've built the institution, but to keep the institution intact, so to say, we've also added these, extra conditions and clauses and said that, okay, not only is sleeping with someone else taboo, mane wo to bhool hi jao, matlab, even people who would be doing it would not want anybody to know. They are also saying, along with that, even to think about another person who's not your spouse, even to have those thoughts is as good as say na, मतलब आप पाप करे हो कैसे आप सोच कैसे लिया, so I think अभी के ज़माने में जो dynamics है, and if you ask me, अभी के ज़माने का जो impact है ना, वो हमारे generation पे भी है. So I'm 46, married for 18 years. So all my friends are also in their late 40s, early 50s, mid 50s, married for 20, 25 years, etc., etc. And for a good part of their early life, you know, they were okay. Of course, you know, you have kids, you're bringing them up, so you don't have the mind space perhaps. But now a lot of them have started experimenting, you know, in the sense that it just how India is today, the openness around sex. If you see Bollywood movies, how they've changed, right? I mean, we couldn't think of earlier, they used to show two flowers coming like this, yeah, if it was a honeymoon night.
Correct.
Now, even on a date, there is like proper kissing happening, and people are sitting and watching it with their families. So that openness has arrived. It has come to India. And therefore, what's happening is the older people like us, they are also riding that wave.
Right.
What they could not do 20 years back, they're doing now. And people are having those conversations. They are, you know, testing waters.
काफी ओपनली हाँ जब मैं जब ट्रैवल करता हूँ मेरे तो इंस्टा पे जो मैसेजेस वैसेज आते हैं एंड आई हैव बीन वेरी वोकल अबाउट दीस थिंग्स आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ कपल्स हु विल राइट टू मी सेइंग हम आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं कुछ ट्राई करना चाहते हैं एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट बिकॉज पीपल आर वेरी फॉरवर्ड द ओनली ट्रबल इज अनफॉर्चुनेटली द पीपल हु आर राइटिंग टू मी आर नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पीपल आई एम अट्रैक्टेड टू
Yeah, okay.
because I am shallow. But you know, a lot of people who are writing where I'm just like, man, they can so I'm like, ठीक है, but like you know, like I can have a lot of ashwagandha, but I'm not going to be able to rise to the occasion because this is not my vibe. But I like the fact that people are so open about it. वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yes. And you know, the conversation with about couples, so that's the larger thing, right? That's the larger change. People are doing it, and people of our age and generation, and they are now, you know, so they want to be fit, you know, they diet, they want to look nice, they want to dress a certain way, etc., etc. And just not just so that they of course do it for themselves, but also to ensure that they are seen as attractive people, right? So that's one part. Among couples, I think that conversation of, you know, I find somebody attractive or I am getting attracted to somebody, I think the conversations, at least in our generation, it's not like it doesn't happen, it happens. But it happens more as a manner of, you know, how it is when you're almost making it look like a joke. I don't think people still are able to have serious conversations about it. So the way it happens is, let's say it's, you know, it's a group of 6, 7, 8 couples who are really close friends and they meet once a month, you know, lots of people do that. That's when after a few drinks, all these conversations start.
So you're in Delhi, where so Mumbai doesn't have a big swinger culture, not that I know of. But Delhi में सुनता हूँ the swinging culture is quite big.
Yes,
right?
yes.
I keep hearing a lot about the fact that these kitty parties keep happening.
Yes.
वहाँ पे चीजें होती हैं. I'm not, so you don't have to repeat you and yourself. I'm not asking. तो मैं पहले हमने हिमिका जोड़ रहा है कि क्या पूछ रहा है मेरे से. But ऐसे सुनने में जो आया है, दिल्ली में बहुत स्विंगिंग होती है कि भाई तुम मेरी बीवी के साथ जाओ, मैं तुम्हारी बीवी के साथ जाता हूँ, फिर हम भी नंगे चिल कर लेंगे, हम मस्ती कर लेंगे, फिर बैंकों चले जाते हैं. But even in Delhi, in my anecdotal evidence, I have definitely seen a lot more people because I think Delhi doesn't have a lot of famous people. It has rich people. Bombay doesn't have rich people. Everyone here, really, everyone is only struggling. But they seem to be very famous. Now, because they are famous, they are not so open about these things.
Yeah.
But I feel Delhi, mein they've all arrived and all, which is my very deep generalization.
Yeah.
But I feel they're more experimental. When I was in New York, I had such a good time because I, of course, was on Grindr and Bumble and all these things. And I've very clearly written I like MFMs, which is a threesome and whatever. And a whole bunch of couples would just reach out to me very normally saying, this is what we want to do. So the husband will say, भाई तुम मेरी wife के साथ सामने सेक्स करा, फिर मैं देखूंगा, फिर तुम और मैं करेंगे, मेरी wife देखी ऐसे बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं, and they look good also. In Delhi also, I've had a lot of people saying stuff like this to me. Now my question to you is, first of all, आप वहाँ पे जाओ नहीं जाओ, if that's a rasta, as a couple you can say that. But the larger question I have is, if I'm in a relationship, I can easily say, I want to sleep with other people, I want to break up. You and me are also from that generation जहाँ पे sanctity of marriage का फिर भी मतलब कुछ था.
Yeah.
How now you can control आपका action on when you're attracted to someone. But if you go and tell your husband मेरे को लड़का cute लग रहा है, या by the other logic of Gokul, I always feel Gokul is part of this podcast without even being here.
And every minute he's dying. Every time his name is said.
So say Gokul is around you and you know he's shooting some very hot looking girl और वो घर आता है और आप Gokul का phone देखते हो, वहाँ वो बोलती है, it was so nice to meet you Gokul, let's have dinner sometime. हिमिका वो मैसेज देखा, हिमिका थिंकिंग मैं गोकुल को आज बहुत मारने वाली हूँ, ये फ्लर्ट कर रहा है. हाउ डू यू मेक श्योर यू डोंट फ्लर्ट, और इज इट ओके टू फ्लर्ट, और व्हाट इज द बाउंड्री?
So obviously, to each their own. You know, every couple has their own set of rules. Um, in my particular case, I think I'm very lucky because Gokul, like I told you, he doesn't get non-veg jokes. So even if it has happened to him, in fact, because he you know, he goes on various shoots, and on many of those shoots they're like really nice looking girls, models, etc. And because he's so quiet and so, you know, what in Bengali we call bhadralok, na, he's a Sida bacha. So girls find that as a safe place, a turn on, many of them. So they actually do reach out to him, and you know, later after the shoot, you know, take the number. And then the interesting thing is he'll come back and tell me that, you know, today, you know what happened? I went, and you know, this girl who was there in the last shoot, she was there in this shoot, and she came running and she hugged me, and I was like, why are you doing this to me? And you know, why are you hugging me like? Now see, there are two parts to it. One is, of course, not that he told her, but he's like, in my head I'm thinking that why are you pushing your entire body onto me and, you know, hugging me like this, because, you know, it's not needed. Now there are two parts to it. One, by saying it, he's rid himself of the guilt. You know, because then the ball's in,
Nikal gaya ho.
yeah, the ball's in your court. In this particular case, I don't react or I laugh or whatever, because I know that man is truly not capable of taking it further. You know.
You're deeply secure in this, aren't you? You're so secure. Actually, now, har couple mein dekho, now I've known them for a long time and I've known individually both of them for a long time. Correct me if I'm wrong, aap dono mein jo thoda sora khurafati, naughty insan hai, that would be you.
That's me. And it's not like it's so I'll be honest. I have a lot of guy friends still. And it's not like, and when I say guy friends, I don't always mean, so some of them are like just friends, right? And then there'll be somebody you meet at work, maybe, you know, not essentially working with you. You meet through work. And it's an interesting person. And, you know, you decide, okay, let's go catch a drink and this and that. And honestly, I don't stop myself from doing it. Okay. So I will go out for that drink. I will go meet, see how it goes. And it's not like that attraction hasn't happened at all, you know, that you don't, because it's humanly not possible. You know, there's a perfectly nice looking man who's, you know, who's great, who's got a fun sense of humor. There's that, you know, so you do get attracted. And that is when you have to take the call as to, so what I do is I always wait like this, that, of course, you know, one is at a stage where one is not going to start afresh. So there's no question of, you know, getting married, etc., etc. Again. So therefore, you know, I always wait like this, that is this good enough to upset my apple cart?
Yeah.
Right? So then the answer becomes very clear, you know. So then the boundaries, therefore, then is that, you know, I know that, okay, what is it? So, and Gokul is totally aware that, you know, I've gone out for drinks. So there'll be days when I've just gone from office somewhere and I'll just tell him that, and he's calling me at 8 o'clock to ask me, are you going to have dinner? And I'm like, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you, but I'm here and I'll come back by 9.
Okay, so you go on a date. Now, आपकी खुद की lines तो अच्छे से drawn है, आपको अपनी सीमाएं पता है, हम क्या करने वाले हो. अब जो सामने वाला बंदा, he is not really thinking the same lines, right? He may have asked you out on a date. It could be a friend's date. It could be under the cover. Has it ever happened, or what happens in a situation where the other guy thinks, oh, this was not platonic. This is like someone leans in for a kiss or does something. Us time pe, us parasthiti mein, then what do you, like, then how do you handle that? Because the other person could also say, but listen, you were leading me on the whole time.
Yeah. So you know, of course, you know, one doesn't name it as a date. It's just a drink, catch up, let's catch a drink type. But having said that,
बहुत hanging out किए, which has led to a lot of semen all over my house. तो date तो हम कभी नहीं बोलते पे ऐसे भाई हम like you know, let's go chill का मतलब ये कपड़े मेरे उड़ जाएंगे.
Yeah. No, but you know, it's not like this doesn't happen. It does happen. I mean, like you rightly said, and for men more so. I think women are still interested in having, you know, interested in the person. 95%, 98% men are, when they're asking you out because they like the visual of you.
Right.
So they're asking you out with the thought that this should go beyond of the drink. Right? So there, once you go, so that's why a lot of my friends, my guy friends, they say you're the world's biggest tease. Yeah, because you will come for drinks, you will dance, you will flirt, you will laugh, but when the time comes, you'll disappear. And again, like I said,
Then you're like, down boy, come on.
then I'm like, yeah, you know,
Picture
I
so
don't
many-
ghost.
so
I'm
many
still
boys
friends with.
so much KLPD happening after going for these drinks. I can
So
totally picture that.
so and you know, it's not like people don't or will not try to, or you know, it's people also get the no money.
Yeah.
People get the no.
Why?
When you said that, when I say, or it's like, you know what, you know,
laugh it off, or you
yeah,
do
laugh it
whatever.
off.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it's,
yeah, yeah.
what are you saying? You know, whatever.
What is hot about a average 23, 24-year-old find somebody who's be like your age and my age, very attractive?
Uh-huh.
For you, when you see like a 24-25 साल का लड़का trying to flirt with you, are you thinking, oh baby, so cute, or you're thinking, okay, interesting, I'll enjoy this?
Okay, yeah. So again, this is something that has happened not once but a couple of times. The 20s, boys in their 20s type, you know, starting out with ma'am, and then, you know, moving on to whatever other conversations, or, you know, so some messages saying you looked really nice today type, you know, expecting.
Sweet.
So I look at it two ways. One is that I think it's a huge compliment, and I think that that's something that we ought to enjoy, because, you know, at the end of the day, while I think people like you and me are very secure from inside, and we know insides. I said, it is a sex podcast.
I mean, of course it is a sex podcast, yeah.
So while we're very secure from inside, and we know that, you know, we know our worth, we know, but we also everybody draws inspiration from what's around you and what's happening in your immediate. So when somebody who's very young says, so for instance, so I'll just give a quick example. This, I think, 23, 24-year-old boy would come to meet me for work, and completely different work, then went away, then whatever. Then messaged me one day saying that, you know, it was really nice to meet you, and, you know, there's something about you that you walk into a room and the energy of the room changes, you know, and I think you bring light with you. And that was a very
So
sweet thing
So
to say.
sweet,
Yeah. So it felt very nice. Now, then from then on, it's up to me to decide what I want to do with that, right? So whether I want to, you know, egg him on, because clearly he is telling me, I like you. Now, what I want to do with that is completely my thing. And then, you know, there have been people who have directly said that, oh, you know, find you very hot, and, you know, you would like, and I'm talking about very young boys. Then I just laugh it off and say that, you know, I'm almost your mother's age. And in a lot of cases, that is true, you know.
And in a lot of cases, that only makes it hotter for some reason. So if you say, "मैं तुम्हारी मम्मी के समान," you're like, oh, you know, I mean, we have the right galis in Hindi for that, for a reason, because it turns people on. To say मैं तुम्हारी माँ के समान हूँ is nowhere in insurance. They're just like, और करी रहो और pass up. It's really like that.
Yeah, it could be.
Yeah, I mean, when I say मैं तुम्हारे dad की age, they call me daddy, and I love it. So
Yeah. So you know, but I just I've never honestly gone that path. Though, like I'm saying, that not that there has been.
But do you have a model about that?
Huh?
I mean, for yourself, you obviously have a morality about it. But I'm saying,
Not
when
at
you
all.
see-
Not at all.
right? Yeah,
Not all.
Even I don't.
Not
oddly
at
enough.
all. I don't think there should be any morality attached to attachments. You know, there should be none, because what is it that, you know? So only the other day, and I didn't know it, and I was quite you know, surprised that Charlie Chaplin married at age 53 his third wife, who was 18. And together they had 4 or 5 kids. So there's this beautiful thing where apparently while proposing, he said, marry me and let me teach you to live, you know. And so she said that, no, Charlie, I know how to live. Let us get married so that you can remain young forever. And then she said something else, which I'm forgetting right now. But it was so. What I'm trying to say here is that it worked for them.
It worked for them.
So, and you know, I would only be, if at all, there is only one thing, if you ask me, there's only one thing that I have a little bit of a thing with, is that I feel that, you know, if you are very, like, some friends become like family. And of course, you're all same age, this, that, and you spend so much time with the spouses that you start to like them also. There's an affinity.
There's definitely there's
right?
a friendship.
There's a very deep friendship. That is the only part where, if I were asked that, you know, what is there anything that would upset you?
Hmm.
If in a very deep friendship somebody is cheating with the spouse,
Yeah.
that would really
That would
upset me.
So I have something to ask you. ये एक्चुअली मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. मैं सबको बोलता हूँ हिंदी में बात करें, मैं खुद ही भूल जाता हूँ. मैं आपसे तो पूछना चाहता हूँ, you're very relevant to this because आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे एनवायरनमेंट वैसा है. एक जो नया पहलू आ गया है शादियों में is also sexuality. पहले कोई इसके बारे में बात नहीं करता था.
हाँ.
There are so many नए people. मेरे मैसेजेस इतने भरे होते हैं. For some reason on messages people call me पारस भैया and then they'll say आपकी आर्मपिट बड़ी सेक्सी है, तो मैं कंफ्यूज रहता हूँ. मेरे को बहुत महिलाओं के मैसेजेस आते हैं कि मुझे लगता है मेरे हस्बैंड को लड़कों में भी इंटरेस्ट है. मेरे हस्बैंड बाय हैं, गे हैं. नाउ एज समवन लाइक मीका वाज अ जर्नलिस्ट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आपका सोशल सर्कल बहुत बड़ा है, आप दिल्ली में रहते हैं, फैशनिस्ताज हैं आपके आसपास. नाउ what do you think in that case? Because आज इतनी सारी महिलाएं हो, ये नया पहलू सडनली सामने आता है where you say actually it's not about me at all. मेरे हस्बैंड को एक्चुअली इंटरेस्ट ही एक दूसरे जेंडर में है जो शायद पहले पता नहीं था.
हाँ.
Have you seen something like that? Have you experienced something like that in your circles? Because I know आपका LGBTQ का एंगल और सर्कल दिल्ली में काफी बड़ा है.
बड़ा है. हाँ.
You know where that's the one thing I want to ask you.
Yes.
The other thing I want to ask you in that cases, उस सिचुएशन में सबसे बड़ी चीज होती है हम डीमोनाइज कर देते हैं. या तो हस्बैंड को बुरा बना दिया, वाइफ को बुरा बना दिया. बोलते हैं वाइफ तुम अच्छे से सेक्स नहीं करती इसलिए हस्बैंड पलट गया. ये बोलते हैं हस्बैंड पहले से ही बुरा था इसलिए हो गया. हैव यू सीन एनीथिंग लाइक दैट?
सो आजकल ना बहुत सुनने को मिलता है. एंड just because you said that I have a very big circle of LGBTQ
yeah.
people that I know. A lot of them are approached by married men who've been married for a while or who've just been married as well, to say that I mean I would like माने एक आपके साथ भी रिश्ता, and mind you that रिश्ता is not only a physical रिश्ता that they're looking for. What they're also looking for is एक मेंटल कनेक्ट. वो घर आते हैं, वो टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, वो साथ में खाना बनाते हैं, वो मूवी देखने जाते हैं. और ये एंड सो वो लोग भी पूछते हैं कि आप मैरिड है. सो ऑफन ये निकल के आता है कि इट्स दैट मे बी they've always felt attracted to both genders. And but maybe more towards women, and because of the societal pressures, because of how it is, and not everybody wants to say that okay, I'm going to take it on my chest, I'm going to say so छुपाना आसान है या उनको ये भी लग सकता है कि
दिल्ली में बहुत होता है. मैं जाता हूँ सारे all the married men will write to me, then of course I have to explain to people I am 40 years old, I like guys who are like 21, 22, 23. So when a 50-year-old guy is writing to me, I'm like bro, but different vibe. But this is true, so true. In Delhi I have a lot of married guys who write to me, sometimes not even involving their wife and just saying I want to be with you. But I'm like okay, but what's then I'll go through their photos, but आपका लड़का बड़ा क्यूट है, आप तो साइड में हो जाओ. फिर मेरी अलग दिक्कत चल रही है लाइफ में, वो अलग बात है. पर मैंने बहुत देखा है. Why do you think so many married men today are looking to experiment with guys? Is it because sexuality अब open हो गई? Because दिल्ली का LGBT circle is a lot more open than Bombay. Bombay में एक्टिंग के चक्कर में ना काफी लोग खुले नहीं होते.
नहीं हो
दिल्ली में ज्यादा खुले होते हैं. I appreciate that more about Delhi.
Yeah. No, I think उसमें ये है कि one part of it is I'm just going back to हमारा first part of our conversation कि अभी suddenly in India things are so open कि लोगों को लगने लगा कि यार ठीक है, मतलब अगर मुझे ये चीज़ अच्छी लग रही है, मुझे करना है, तो इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं. It's my life,
So, because you're a friend of mine, I'm going to push the boundary here and have fun with this. You walk into your house one day.
Okay.
You're looking beautiful. You've come back from a dinner with a gorgeous-looking man who tried to kiss you, and you said, "Listen, I've had a great time. I'm not trying to do anything." You open the door, and Gokul is inside their house with a naked man, and he's having a great time.
Yeah.
Choking on it already. Saying, so much has happened this one evening.
No, but this is very interesting. Tell me.
So Gokul, you can tell me later what kind of guy we should have this fantasy with.
हाँ.
Now my question is, in that moment, देखो बहुत टाइम होता है, एक चीज बोलना बड़ा आसान होता है, but आप उस now in that situation, एक तो fidelity वाली question होगी, you are cheating on me. दूसरा question ये हो गया, okay, let's take Gokul out of this equation because I'm feeling embarrassed for him बेचारा. But I'm saying as second question is about the fact that why were you hiding this for a long time?
Long time.
Which one would it be for you, which is a bigger thing in that moment?
The second one कि आपने बताया क्यों नहीं?
बताया क्यों
Because not for anything else, you know. And though you've taken him out of the equation, but I will bring him back.
Gokul, I tried. I tried. मेरे को लग रहा है Gokul के यहाँ पे we should have an honorary chair where he is part of the podcast.
With the mic.
Edit में एक photo और mic लगा देंगे
With the
Gokul
mic,
के लिए.
yeah. But no, so you know, I have thought of this a lot of times because, like you said, you know, one हम सुनते हैं, पता होता है कि you know people have preferences जो छुपा के रखते हैं बहुत दिनों तक और फिर बाद में पता चला या whatever. मुझे हमेशा से ये लगा है कि अगर वो preference हो मेरे husband का, I would like him to tell me, not for anything else, because मुझे लगता है कि again this comes from only and only from very very deep love for Gokul, who's a great human being. I think कि there should not be that pressure on him कि मुझे कुछ करना है पर मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ because I'm stuck in a situation.
But you would be okay with that? You would continue a marriage then?
You know,
Because I know a lot of these things are easy to say. But
yeah, I agree with what you're saying, but if the toss-up was between if he was seeing a man or a woman, I would say if he was seeing a man, I'd be okay.
Now,
It's a very strange thing because in my head, because what tends to happen is the moment there's another woman, you start to compare because it's
yourself
an
with that
apple to
person.
apple, right?
Apple to apple, yeah.
But in this
You're
case,
comparing an apple to a banana.
yeah. Thanks. I was going to say orange, but
I'll tell you why I asked this question because I know, you know, बहुत सारी चीजें होती है which I think people are not able to discuss. This is one of those things where I know everyone is sort of tiptoeing around this very often. And when we do a conversation like that, ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे पास कुछ बहुत बड़े suggestions हैं आपके लिए. But I think for a lot of people at least एक conversation point शुरू हो सकता है कि यार अगर ऐसा हो, मेरे को बड़ा अच्छा लगा आप बोल रहे देखो अगर लड़की है वो agenda बिल्कुल अलग हो जाता है. But if your husband is found with a guy, then you understand it's a whole different set of things.
It's about him then.
It's about
you know,
him
it's about who he is.
Yeah.
और उनकी ज़रूरतों, see, people who also sleep with multiple people. I have friends, guy friends, who are वो बहुत सारी लड़कियों के साथ अलग, माने एक ही साथ, not एक तो हो गया कि वो आपने थ्रीसम फोरसम कर लिया, वो अलग बात है. आई एम सेइंग किसी एक टाइम फ्रेम में आप मैरिड हैं, आपके और 2-3 बाहर अफेयर्स चल रहे हैं, right? How they manage it, I do not know.
It takes a lot of logistical
I
planning.
do not know,
yeah.
but I definitely know that there are at least a few people I know who are managing this. Okay, so वहाँ पे मुझे जो लगता है कि उसमें फिर हम जज करने लग जाते हैं कि यार कैरेक्टरलेस है और but you know after talking to these men and asking them, because again you know ये बहुत सारी बातें men often don't talk even with their guy friends, right?
ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं. This is something which will never come up. You know why I asked you this question? I think हम उस final generation में जहाँ पे इतना बड़ा टैबू तब भी था, ऐसे बहुत सारे 40 साल के लोग आज होंगे जिनकी शादी तब करा दी 20 साल पहले because they were gay and bisexual, but people say भाई तुम शादी कर लो. अब की जनरेशन में प्रॉब्लम कम हो रहा है because I think a lot of people sort of know कि hello this is not my scene, मैं प्रेशर में आके नहीं करूँगा. I'm sure that still happens. But उस जनरेशन के लिए it was very common for a lot of guys to be married, to forced into marriage जहाँ उनका कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. So I think I was also asking from that perspective because उस generation के लिए there's a whole, but I know so many guys who are like in their mid-40s and it's terrible
very
for
sad.
them. Yeah,
it's very sad. It's very sad for them. In fact, you know, when I see those people, because we will instinctively know because we know, right?
Yeah.
So I actually try and draw them out and not talk about this issue.
Yeah.
But मैं उनके साथ maybe we are not friends, but I try to talk to them. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि उनसे बात करूँ और एक ट्रस्ट के जगह पे एक वो रिलेशनशिप लेके आऊँ ताकि वो चाहे तो मुझसे बात कर सके. बिकॉज समटाइम्स आपके पास बात करने के लिए भी कोई नहीं होता, आप ये किसी को नहीं बता सकते. And coming back to what I was saying about men who are with multiple women, and I have spoken to those guys, and I'm like, एक तो यार कैसे करते हो logistically, you know, that is one thing, and they're all dying, okay, they're like, भाई बहुत मुश्किल है यार, बहुत मुश्किल है, एक का फोन रखता हूँ दूसरे का आ जाता है, and stuff like that. But they also say that this is also a need point, which we have, you know, through societal norms and pressures, we have made that into characterless. But the truth of the matter is that it's not like the love for the wife is any less. And I know that a lot of women here, जो सुन रहे हैं, वो कहेंगे कि यार ये क्या बोल रही है. But the truth is कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बीवी से प्यार कम है या फैमिली से अटैचमेंट कम है. बीवी से बहुत प्यार करते हैं. पर ये भी उनका एक नीड है. द मल्टीप्लिसिटी ऑफ बॉडीज इज अ नीड. दे नीड न्यू बॉडीज.
Speaking of needing new bodies, last question, and before
Is Gokul in this one as well?
Gokul is omnipresent in this whole thing. How do you, if I sleep with someone, पहली बार बड़ा मजा है, दूसरी बार बेटर मजा है because now I know the person, तीसरी बार बहुत अच्छा लगा, we know each other's body, चौथी बार I'm like यार I would like to have, you know, sleep with someone else. 18 साल शादी, okay. 18 साल मतलब एक बच्चा अडल्टहुड में पहुंच के वोट करने लग जाएगा. हिमिका गोकुल फिर भी लगे हुए हैं. Now my सवाल then is, obviously first of all there are marriages in India which become sexless. फिर वो भाई बहन बन जाते हैं 5 साल के बाद, वो husband wife. आपकी, if you had to do like a tips of 3 tips how to keep that sexual spark alive in a marriage, how do you do it? And first of all, before we even get to that, do you still need to have that sexual spark after 18 years or it's not required?
Yeah, so 2 parts to it. One is 18 साल में ना होता क्या है कि देखो, sex, one of the things you said is that, you know, first time, second time, third time और मजा आ रहा है because you're getting to know the body. And sex also essentially emanates from here, right? So you like somebody a lot, you want to have sex with that person. That happens, right? So ये जो liking है ना, that over the years either it becomes very good, very strong, or it becomes really bad. Sex has an impact, and it has an impact on sex. So if your bond of marriage over the years becomes really strong, as people, I'm not bringing, automatically you want to touch, feel, cuddle, hold, you know, you want to do stuff. It's an automatic, you know, like.
तो ऐसे कभी होता है घर जब गए ना, हिमिका को साड़ी का बहुत शौक है, कभी ऐसा होता है गए साड़ी का पल्लू ऐसे उड़ रहा है, हवा चढ़ी हुई, कांटे नहीं करते, you're doing all these things to serenade the husband still. Do you still have to, or is he doing it बेचारा? Is he with like a rose walking out in a...
No. So that is the problem. That, you know, I could be doing, and I do it all the time and I'm done. So now what happens after 18 years, I'll tell you. 18 साल बाद क्या है कि आप जब ना बहुत ऐसे सेक्सी मूव्स करते हो, निकलते हो, सॉरी द माइक इज ओनली गोइंग, गोकुल इज लाइक क्या हुआ बैठ जा. He actually says that. Maybe I'm doing like a really, you know, like a he said लग जाएगी. I'm like, fuck you, sorry, but you know.
I'm going for a sexy vibe here. What is your problem?
But yes, so it becomes better. And this, to answer your second question, वक्त के साथ ना जो सेक्स का इम्पोर्टेंस होता है, because you know your bodies change with time, right? I won't say need goes away. It doesn't. It cannot, because it's the most natural thing. But आपके body के change के साथ with age कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा जो importance that you attach to sex, especially in a marriage. देखिए, the same married people, अगर extramarital शुरू हो जाए ना, तो वो जो साल में 10 बार कर रहे, जो आप कह रहे थे, वो वीक में 10 बार करने लग जाएंगे.
Correct.
So in that sense, maybe age has nothing to do with it. But in a marriage, I'm saying, with age, the importance of having sex begins to reduce only because, and a lot of people will say क्योंकि family pressures होते हैं, मतलब आप बच्चे बड़े कर रहे हैं, this that. Gokul and I don't have kids, so it's just the 2 of us, and we have a great time together every evening. You know, we'll chill no matter what happens. We'll, you know, and that is the best time for me in the entire day. I look forward to that time. and that bonding that happens, you know, by just sitting around and whatever, and it does help immensely if the husband is romantic. Gokul is very romantic in very, very soft, silent, subtle ways. And you know, and I think that is something that has strengthened the bond to an extent that today, while I mean, we would be comfortable both ways. I mean, वो नहीं कहते कि when things are good with something or somebody, सब कुछ चलता है, सब कुछ ठीक है, you know, है तो बहुत बढ़िया, नहीं है थोड़ा तो कोई बात नहीं, because there is so much more that supplements that bonding, you know. So I think the 3 tips is, one, I would like to tell this to all Indian women, and we, ये लोग ना हम बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हैं कि हम लोग इमीडिएटली जब हम शादी से पहले होते हैं या इवन इनिशियल ईयर्स में होते हैं, हम एकदम, यू नो, लाइक टोटल, लाइक, यू नो, लुकिंग लाइक माधुरी दीक्षित, श्रीदेवी, एंड नाउ whoever else are the new heroines, like that. Suddenly after 2 years you don't care if your hair is shampooed, if it's blow dried, if you know, if you're not waxed, not. So please remember that men are visual animals. अगर आप सुंदर दिखोगे, अपने लिए भी दिखो, बट आप जब कहते हो ना कि क्यों मैं तो बीवी हूँ, अरे भाई बीवी हो तो इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं कि यू बिकम लाइक अ पार्ट ऑफ द फर्नीचर. आप एक्सपेक्ट करते हो कि मैं बीवी हूँ, सो मेरा राइट है कि माई हस्बैंड हैज़ टू लव मी, मेरा राइट है दैट ही हैज़ टू स्लीप विथ मी बिकॉज वी आर लीगली वॉट एवर. Now, how can he not like me in whatever? How can I always be Jennifer Lopez? But the truth of the matter is that if you have to keep the spark alive, you have to, you know, make that little effort to look nice, to smell good, to, you know, dress up a certain way. Surprise the man. Don't stop surprising him. And an element of mystery, it always helps. Of course, we are all marriages में क्या होता है, आप ऐसे उठ रहे होते हो सवेरे, है ना, when you're looking the worst and you're like, you know, but even then, you know, the mystery of being a woman, कि इतना soft कैसे रखते हो skin को, या कुछ करते हो, something that the man is like, ये कैसे करती है? Keep that mystery alive. It's so important, you know. And for the men, the thing is that yes, we've become very open. अभी बहुत खुल गए हम लोग. Obviously, extramaritals हो सकते हैं. If you ask me, I think 80-90% of all married people are having extramarital affairs. Married men are on Tinder, you know that. 50% of Tinder is full of married people. While the marriage is bilkul khulo, if you need that space to experiment, a lot of men, let me finish the tip, then I'll tell you something. So experiment आपको करना है, आप बिल्कुल कीजिए, बट वो शादी को प्रायोरिटाइज कीजिए. When I say that, what I mean is कि वो importance जो by, you know how kings used to have queens and the harem,
courtesans, and
yeah. But the main queen, the Maharani, was always the Maharani. You know, don't stop making your wife feel like that Maharani. उनको वो दर्जा, whether it is by show of love, respect, ये वो देते रहिए. The returns will be, you know, in multitudes. In the place you need it.
You'll get back what you want.
Yeah. Return on investment, सही में, you know, is going to be that much more. But I think, you know, both. So the effort has to come from both sides. What the man needs is, he needs to be with somebody he is physically attracted to. It's important for him. So women have to make that happen. And women are वो बहुत चीप टाइप का नहीं है कि लड़की को इज्जत दो वो तुम्हें अपनी इज्जत देगी. हाँ. That's like cheap type college joke, okay?
लड़की को इज्जत दो, वो तुमको अपनी इज्जत देगी.
So
thought for the day.
So for the men, बिकॉज विमेन लाइक टू बी इमोशनली पैम्पर्ड, उनको इमोशनली पैम्पर आप करते रहिए
Yeah.
और बाकी रिजल्ट्स जो है वो जहाँ पे आपको पैम्परिंग चाहिए आपको मिल जाएगी.
देखिए, I also want to ask Himika about a whole bunch of other things, but she's got a flight to catch, literally.
Yes, yeah.
I very briefly, because I know you mentioned it, it'll be interesting to sort of get into it. Where I think the whole idea भारत में था कि आप जब शादी करते हो बच्चों के लिए शादी करते हो.
हाँ.
ये वाली जनरेशन, इंक्लूडिंग योर्स एंड माइन, फॉर अस शादी और बच्चे का कनेक्शन है भी नहीं भी है.
हाँ.
बहुत सारे लोग हैं who are choosing not to have children.
Yes,
I know,
yes.
like for example, you guys also
Yeah,
are choosing
yeah,
not to have
we
children.
decided not to
वो
have
जो
children.
वंश आगे बढ़ाने वाली बात
हाँ.
है वो भी कहीं ना कहीं चेंज हो गया है. So
हाँ.
now my just before we wrap up, like my question is, when I ask about myself, I'm a single person. कहीं ना कहीं दिमाग में ऐसा होता है शादी नहीं होगी, आगे वंश नहीं आगे बढ़ेगा, कोई होगा नहीं, सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं होगा. अब जो नए मैरिड कपल्स है, if they're also choosing not to have children, what then becomes the old age plan?
You know, दो तरह से इसको देख सकते हैं. There are lot of people who have kids. बच्चे यूएस में रहते हैं और ये आज का नहीं है, ये बहुत पहले से की बात है कि बच्चे यूएस में रहते हैं, साल में एक बार आते हैं जब आपको उनकी ज़रूरत है. वो नहीं है, मतलब जब आपको डे टू डे ज़रूरत है, मतलब आज ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ गई है तो डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, तो दे आर नॉट देयर एंड दे आर नॉट देयर. ऐसा नहीं कि वो नहीं रहना चाहते इसलिए नहीं है, वो नहीं रह सकते इसलिए नहीं. या दे हैव देयर ओन लाइफ, तो ठीक है. तो देयरफॉर मुझे नहीं लगता कि, और अगर मान लीजिए कि वो इंडिया में भी है, दूसरे शहर में रह सकते हैं, कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो बच्चों पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंड करना लॉजिस्टिकली एंड अदरवाइज ऑल्सो, क्योंकि उसकी ज़िंदगी है, आपको उसको लॉट्स ऑफ पेरेंट्स डू दिस. पहले जनरेशन में तो बहुत ज़्यादा करते थे कि नहीं बेटा बहू हमारे साथ रहेंगे ताकि हमारा ख्याल रख सके. You know, that thought. By doing that, you are actually not letting them live their life. माने it's almost like saying कि मैंने तुमको बड़ा किया है तो अब आके लग जाओ. You know, paid back. So बच्चों पे मुझे नहीं लगता कि A कर सकते हैं उतना ज़्यादा, B करना चाहिए. ओल्ड एज प्लान का मुझे लगता है ऑनेस्टली, बिकॉज आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ मेरे जो ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स है, गर्ल गैंग, I am the only married person. So Gokul keeps saying that, why do you only have single friends? So you see, that's also the fun part, because they are all dating, fating, this, that. So I get to know that. I get to meet new people because of them, because, you know, whatever. But the thing is that we've pretty much decided, हमने ये decide किया है कि जैसे हमारे बच्चे नहीं हैं, उनकी शादियाँ अभी हुई नहीं है, and chances है कि वो करना भी नहीं चाहते हैं. They're all my age. तो some of them have live-in partners, some of them have steady boyfriends, some of them are still looking around, right? So thought ये है कि जो friendships है, because today especially in big cities, friends are family. So keep the friendships very, very strong.
Yeah.
Make some really good friendships, and you know, and because आपका progression भी साथ में होने वाला है.
You'll enter a new life stage together.
प्रोग्रेशन साथ में होने वाला है. अनलाइक योर किड्स कि आप जब 60 में आप कह रहे कि यार घुटनों में दर्द, वो बेचारा डिस्को जाके नाचना चाहता है, बैंकॉक जाना चाहता है, आप कह रहे हो कि अरे कहाँ मुझे डॉक्टर के पास ले चलो. इज लाइक यार व्हाट द हेल. So whereas we will all have the same problems around the same time, like you very nicely said, that we'll progress into that state of life together. So I think the friends, the friend family is the answer, in tomorrow's India. Because इससे ज़्यादा, जैसे अभी स्विट्जरलैंड में उन्होंने शुरू किया है, there's this old age bank that they started. What it really means is that when you are young, आप सेवा कीजिए लोगों की, तो वो सारे hours add हो रहे हैं. और जब when you need help, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर लोग वहाँ अकेले हैं, aging population है, तो कोई young बच्चा आके आपको help करेगा. So you are adding those hours to your bank. तो either something like that, you know, or but that I don't know how much we can do.
But it's a great idea, because you're investing in your future in a very nice way. I like it.
Yeah.
Himika's definitely, I'm hoping when she comes back to Bombay, फिर से हम एक बातचीत करेंगे. I have a whole bunch of things to ask, and thank you so much, Gokul, for joining us on this podcast.
I'm already sending him the kisses.
I am glad he was here, and I like how the thought of the day. I want to make a T-shirt saying "लड़की को इज्जत दो, वो तुमको अपनी इज्जत देगी." # I didn't say it, she did. But I had a great time, and we were also meeting after such a long time.
After such, we were just discussing yesterday, 10 years
Yeah,
probably.
yeah, yeah.
And
बहुत लंबे
yeah,
अरसे के बाद.
but
All right.
बहुत मजा आया. Should we do that together?
What, the Big Pucci?
हाँ, see
You want to do it?
Yes.
All right, chalo. On your marks, get set, go. Big Pucci. Mwah.